Wow.
So this is the blizzard of 2010. And I'm facing a wall of snow. I'm using a gardening shovel.
And a broom.
We don't have a shovel, so we borrowed this one.
And what is this we're seeing? These are our steps.
Yeah.
This is how we are supposed to get out.
So we are looking at East Capitol Street. We are fortunate that it's a major street because people have actually cleared this way, but if you go and look at some of these side streets, it's not so clean. It's Carrie's car. We're not going to take that out anytime soon.
They lose all your notes.
And we're in Lincoln Park right now. Again, lots of people out enjoying this. And the snow keeps coming down. Here's the bench that I proposed to carry on.
Yep.
Looks a little different than it did in June.
Trains on schedule, porcelain's cleans, and this must be a dream or an extreme improbability.
Amazingly enough, we are walking on Pennsylvania Avenue, and there is nobody here. We just stepped from our neighborhood onto federal property, and it is pretty clean.
What a great country. What a great country. The capital.
They are not your asylum, they were not for you.